Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Wi-Fi errors. Some information changed since the last time you connected on Windows. Click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Open Wi-Fi, open Manage Known Networks. Forgot. Now you can connect Wi-Fi network. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.